everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle with Madhushri. So I'm back with most awaited tutorial, that is the bold red lip tutorial. But let me give you a small disclaimer that it's not gonna be your usual red lip tutorial, as you can see from over this look which I created, and I'm going to show this in this tutorial. So if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to share such tutorials, makeup hacks, makeup ideas, closet ideas, etc. So in one channel you are getting the whole package. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it, so that any new video updated by me, you will get the notification very soon. So without blabbering here much, let's straight away head to our new video. First, I will be tying up of my hair. So I am going to use a scrunchie. It is from scrunchies underscore by TC, a very affordable store for some really premium quality satin scrunchies. After that, for as usual my baby hairs, I'll be using a cloth rubber band, headband I can say. So I have prepped my skin really very nicely. I will be moving forward with my eye makeup. So for that, I'm going to put the concealer over my under eye areas as well as over my eyelids. For the concealer, I'm using as usual my favorite Fit Me concealer by Maybelline New York in the shade 30 Honey. So step comes for baking. So for baking, not the baking powder which you guys are thinking, I'm going to use the loose powder. It's from Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. It's a very affordable, like milled, properly milled setting powder. It's a multi-purpose, and it gives a very light to medium buildable coverage. But however, for the college going student, this is a nice pick personally from my side. As you can see that my eye area has been concealed very nicely, especially the dark circles. I will be moving forward with the eye makeup. Now let me tell you one thing, that most of the makeup artists, whenever there is a bold red lip tutorial, they go for a high winged eyeliner. But today I'm going to experiment something really new. I hope, I just keep my fingers crossed that it works out. So let's straight away begin with our eye makeup. With the red lip tutorial, it's not gonna be that very much smoky, but somewhat it will be. So I am going forward for today's eye makeup is from Attitude by Amway's eyeshadow palette. It has some really awesome shimmery shades, and I just love shimmers. Who doesn't actually? And very much pigmented black color, which I have used in my smoky eye tutorial as well. So here is the palette. As you can see, it's so beautiful. So today I'm going to pick up this bronze color, hopefully. So I'm going to combine it, and then on my upper lash, as you can see, I'm pointing it over here. I will be just smudging out my kajal with the black eyeshadow, of course. So let's begin. So today I'm going to use the Pro Arts PE19 eyeshadow brush. It is flat, yet it has the very soft, like bristles, just for making the smudge look even more easier for me. So let's begin. Let's not blabber here much. So today it's gonna be a task basically, and many of them might be thinking that where is my location. So I'm back to my college, because of course for medical the colleges have reopened, so we cannot skip our college basically. Well, that's something very obvious even, right? So I'm not gonna be like intensifying this bronzy color, because then it will overpower then if I make another red lip over my lips, it's gonna be a little more overpowering, so I'm not going to avoid that. So first I'm going to like make my eye look way more bronzer, so that it will be easy for me for like smudging out the kajal. So I'm just placing, and then like I'm just like intensifying it at first. Then I will be blending out so that the edges look cleaner and neater. Alright, so now I'm going to blend it out. For that, I'm using a normal blending brush. Alright, so just tap off the excess whenever you're blending, and just like in circular motion as usual, you need to blend it out really nicely. it's a direct like shimmer shade, so don't expect that it will be that very prominent, because for you the eye makeup shouldn't be that very prominent and the real focus should be over the lip area. For this makeup tutorial, I know that my eyes are looking a little, weird, but wait for the twist. So after blending it, I'm moving forward with the upper lash line because I'm quite satisfied with the color which has come out. So I'm using today Attitude by Amway's Kohl Kajal. It's in the, of course it's in the shade black. So first I'm going to make a thin line, then I'm going to smudge it out using the black eyeshadow. So first I'm going to make a very, like thin, I can say. As I said that it's not gonna be your normal smoked up eye look, but it's gonna be a little smoky because black eyeshadow, as you can see over here. I hope just. Oh my god, this is love. Now what I'm going to use, I'm going to use my PE19 brush because it has a soft bristly, and then I'm just going to blend and extend out this. I need to just soften it up, so it isn't that very overpowering. Every time that normal, winged eyeliner is so boring, right? We can do this look and just see how it turns out, As I said by the title, you guys might have known from the title of this video that it's not gonna be a normal red lip tutorial. I know I make really less video because I have some other commitments. I have said this like many times over my Instagram. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. I will be posting the link for my Instagram profile in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So I'm going to I'm just smudging out and creating a wing kind of a look. So as you can see that my eye makeup is complete, and just look at this moved up lines. It's looking so good. So now I'll be moving with my base makeup, of course. Now I don't have my corrector right now because you guys might have known from my getup that I'm in my hostel. So I don't have my corrector. I'm going to use my concealer, the same concealer which I use for concealing my under eyes. So now after hiding away all my pigmented areas, I will be moving forward with my foundation. You guys might have known from now which is my favorite foundation. So my favorite foundation is from Maybelline New York's Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Now after properly applying my foundation, I'm baking it using the same loose powder which I had used for baking my eye area. I'm going forward with the contouring. For contouring, you guys already know actually. I'm going to use the Contour de Force Mini Bronzer by Sugar Cosmetics. See that I'm done with my contouring and my face is looking really slim. So I'm moving forward with my blush. So for today I'm going to use Attitude by Amway's Cheeky Blush, Blusher Duo actually. One of the shade is this Cheeky Coral, I hope you can see, and I'm going to actually mix both the colors. I'm going to give a nice flush over my cheek. Pink glow has come over my face, which I'm absolutely loving it. I'm moving forward with my highlighter. So I'm going to use a hack today. That is, I'm going to use the shimmer shades from my eyeshadow palette. I will be blending it out really nicely. So as per my skin tone, I have a warm tone as well as I want a nice finish. So I'm going to combine this bronze and this white shade together to give that highlighter glow. So I'm going to take both the colors, just gonna mix it really nicely. And oh my god, you can see the difference right now. Oof. Oh, this is fun. And you know what? Blending your eyeshadow, the shimmer shades of your eyeshadow is way more easier than blending out the highlighters. Oh my god, it's such a task, I'm just gonna apply over my higher end areas as usual, as I say almost all the time, and over this area, over my nose, of course. The only minus point of eyeshadows is not that very overpowering, so you need to work a little more harder, or else it's very easy, I can say. Over my chin area, because of course I love that glow like anything. This is, covered up my lower lash line with the kajal. I will be moving forward with the most awaited step of this whole tutorial, that is the red lip. So first thing first, you need an earbud and a lipstick, of course. So the trick, I have learned this from 5-minute craft. So I'm just gonna put it over like this. Come over and as you can see, there is no stain mark over my teeth, and it is so easy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and you guys are going to tag me over Instagram and other social media platforms. If I'm going to post the link for this video over Facebook, you can tag me over there even. It's Arjita Mukherjee. I will definitely share that. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, then please don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up to my video. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button right next to the liking button and the bell icon beside to it, so that any new video updated by me, you will get the notification very soon. Get yourself vaccinated, stay indoors, don't go outside until it's very necessary. Take very good care of yourselves.